I wanted to learn swimming. So I watched a lot of video over YouTubes. I gained a lot of knowledge. I can't even tell you. But when I started to swim, when I went into the water, I couldn't swim a bit. How it can be possible? This is what happened when we try to learn English spoken by just watching English video and listening to it. It might help for some extent, for gaining some knowledge, but for speaking, you'll actually have to speak. You'll actually have to move your tongue, move your mouth, and everything. This is what I am going to help you today with the video. I am going to give you some ideas which I have applied, and coming from a Hindi medium school, I learned in English spoken. Let's start with it. So the first one is tenses. Tenses, I have told you, it is really important. Now how can you do your speaking practice for this? Like, let's have simple sentences. I know you. Okay, this is affirmative. The negative, I don't know you. Interrogative, do I know you? And then interrogative negative, do I not know you? We are just trying to make our tongue flexible so it can speak English word, it can be familiar with English sentences and some difficult words as well. So yeah, that is important. This is how you can do your tense practice. Now second thing is, talk to yourself in English mentally as well. You're trying to attach the emotions, the thinking, the thought process with it. So when you will try to speak, you don't have to force yourself to do. It will come naturally. I will have to wake up early tomorrow. I'll have to go to give my exam. I'm so happy. I have gotten selected for this exam. I have to go. I have to do this work. This is how you have to think in English. Talk to yourself in English also. Now mentally you are speaking, so actually speak to yourself in the mirror. That's the best technique, and this gains your confidence so much more when you speak to yourself in the mirror in English, because when you are looking at you are talking like you are talking to a stranger as well. You won't be so comfortable talking to yourself, so it will be a new thing for you. Like I would talk, hello everyone, so today I'm going to announce put your hands together, she's going to come. I'm just acting when you express yourself also, so it is the best out of all. Start doing that. Next up is, talk to your family members. That's the best thing. Be that person who doesn't think about respect in front of your family member, and speak English however you feel, whatever is coming through to your mind, just speak it out. Speak anything. Bring that to me. Just don't talk to me. Just bring that to me and make tea for me. Prepare tea for me. Is lunch ready? Anything. Just make any sentence you have written there. You have read a sentence. Practice that with your family members. Now you can start few words or sentences with your friends, because you are already comfortable with that word. Now speak it in front of your friends. Now you are also more comfortable. Start speaking them with strangers whenever you feel like. Your mind feels like this word I can say here. Yeah, that's fantastic. That's phenomenal. Yeah, that's phenomenal. The performance was phenomenal. Exceptionally good it was. Speak it with strangers. And if you have gained so much confidence like me, and I like to do tough things when it comes to speaking, so I gave speech on stage. Be familiar. Practice makes a man perfect, and it is true. Next step is this, have some sentences, do some conversation sentences, which communication sentences. Learn them by heart. Just do them by heart. So whenever you are saying, it feels like you are saying it is coming naturally. I'll give you an example. We have been speaking this happy birthday from our childhood only. So we are so comfortable with it. We don't have to think about it. We don't have to force ourselves. We just say happy birthday. It is also an English word. But why we are so comfortable with it? Because We have practiced it so many times, uncountable times. So do practice the whatever you see, wherever you see any sentence, just speak it out. Do practice as much as you can, so you'll be so comfortable. Okay, so happy birthday, good morning, may I come in? All this is also, English. I hope you're getting it, what I am trying to say here. Next is that, do pronunciation practice. That's so important thing. It doesn't matter you're speaking English fast or slow. It doesn't any connection with the speed, but how you're speaking it. That's what makes you valuable in English spoken. When other person respects you, then you speak every word with correct pronunciation. So I would do that with Google. Search any word, any sentence, put it out there, and however it says, I would repeat that way. And my word, the pronunciation, so many words I have gotten from there only. And then next, talk to ChatGPT. It's a blessing nowadays for learning English spoken. You can just speak any word. You can just put the chatting on English, speak in English, that it would reply. You can also ask where I'm making mistake, it would react to that. It has a feature of talking, so you can talk in English, it would reply in English. It's the best practice. No one will judge you there. You won't feel ashamed if you make mistake. It's just a machine, it's just a AI. And you can also write you can also ask ChatGPT, where am I making mistake, please correct me. It would do that for you. Okay, you are awkward with people, talk to animals. I talk to animals. If cow is coming to entering into my home, I'm like, just don't come, hey, have chapati, go there, don't talk to me. I would say anything. If a dog is coming behind me, don't come to me. People might think you're mad, but you're doing it secretly. You don't have to tell it to everyone out loud. Just do these things secretly. Okay, talk to children. I talk to my little nephew in English. So whatever you see, wherever you see, it is on Instagram. Either it's on Instagram or written anywhere. Just read it out loud. That's what it takes. And that brings us to the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, you can just let me know in the comment section. I'll see you in my next video.